Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about our lesson 6, that is Introduction to ICT. First of all, what is the full form of ICT? ICT means information, communication, technology. What does it mean? What is the meaning of the ICT? ICT refers to all the devices like mobile phone, network components, applications, softwares, and system, computers or tablet or what is that, that allow people, that allow us and organizations or institutes to interact with digital world. Digital world means digitally. Okay, examples are like internet. Through internet we interact with each other. Mobile phones, through mobile phones we interact each other. Satellite transmissions are used when we want to interact someone else in the other place of the world. Wireless network, your mobile hotspot or your Wi-Fi is there, Bluetooth is there, so all these comes inside your wireless network. Students, ICT is the part of our life. Where it is used, what are those fields where it is used? First field, that is ICT in education. I will tell you about some of the fields, not all. So ICT in education, like we are interacted with each other now, that is also ICT. You use internet to search your projects, your smart classes are there, your computer lab is there, your teachers prepare your result in your computers, your message system is there, attendance system is there. All these things are the part of ICT in your education. Next is ICT in healthcare. There are many diseases are there whose are diagnosed by the nurses or doctors through ICT. There are special softwares for that. Some of the scientists research about the diseases in health and care by the help of the ICT. Operations can be done with the help of the ICT. So ICT is also very useful in health and care. ICT in government, there are many websites where we can do the work or we can find the information about the government, and we can find the information about our documents which are given by the government to us, like our Aadhaar card. There is a website. Okay, license is there, domicile is there. If you want to pay your tax, for that there is a website. Clear? So government also provide us many websites where we can search the information about our documents and we can find the information about the government also. Next is ICT in business. We do shopping online, buy or sell. There are many companies which provide us the facility to buy the products online or through their websites. By the help of the ICT, business expands to the whole world. Suppose I am having a company or a small business, what I can do, I can publish my product details on website like Amazon, Flipkart, and that platform allow me to sell my product all over the world It means the small business are also globally distributed now. Clear? So these are the basic fields which I have told to you. There are many other fields also there, like finance is there, banking is there, where you can your there are many fields where you can find this ICT. Clear? Your army is used this. So these basic fields I have told to you. Now we will discuss about the tools which are used in ICT. The first tool, that is mobile phone. I have told you, mobile phone is the part of our life nowadays. With the help of mobile phone, we interact to our relatives, friends, teachers, or someone else in the world. Clear? Next we are having, that is tablet. Mobile phone is smaller in size. Tablet is little bigger than mobile phone. Laptop you can say. But there is a difference between laptop and tablet. The tablet is basically a touch screen product and it is very easy to carry. It is easy to carry, or it has all the work like your laptop. You can do call on it like mobile phone, and you can do work of the computer also. So this is our second device. Next device, that is our interactive whiteboard. Whiteboards. You have seen these boards in your smart class, or you can say these boards are digital boards. Your computers are connected with these boards, and the information which is in your computer, the screen which is in your computer, that is displayed on your whiteboard. This is also a whiteboard, but this is manual whiteboard. We have to write each and everything on it. Clear? And if you want to see your computer screen little bigger, you can use digital whiteboard. On digital whiteboard, we are having digital pen also for that. Next device. Next device is our e-reader. There are certain devices in which you will find e-books, electronic books. Thousands of books are stored in that device, but that device is not having a weight like one book, but thousands of books are stored inside that. So by the help of that device, you can read those books which are stored in this. There is an example for this, that is Kindle. Kindle device is there, which is basically contains many e-books, and by the help of those e-books, what you can do, you can read those books and you can collect the information from there. There is no need to purchase those books. Next device we are having, that is email. Email. All of you aware about email, electronic mail. It is like a letter. Earlier, we always used, if we want to send the information to someone else, we always sent letter. But it is a time-consuming process. Email is the fastest way to send the information from one place to another place in the whole world, complete world. Wherever your friend is there in the world, you can send the email within the minutes or seconds. Clear? Email, you can send the text messages, or you can attach an audio, video, images with your email. It means with text you can send the other types of file also with your friends, but for that you need an email address. If you are having a valid email address, then you can send the emails. Next is newspaper. Newspapers are the hard copy, you can say, but they are designed in some of the softwares. PageMaker, the basic software is PageMaker. By the help of the PageMaker software, we design each and every part of the newspaper. We are having other softwares also, like we are having CorelDRAW, we are having Photoshop. These are the designing softwares. Then you are having printing machines, plotters, you can say. So by the help of all these devices, you can print the newspapers. Students, we have discussed about in our previous lesson communication skills. This word is here now. I think all of you are having a question in your mind, that is why we read about English in computers. This is the basic purpose. ICT, Information Communication Technology. This subject IT is basically for the domestic operators, and they should have communication skills, they should have confidence, and then about the computers. So that's why we have discussed about communication skills first, then we have discussed about self-confidence, and now we are discussing about the computer related part. Clear? Students, till now I have told you about the question answers of lesson 1, 2 and 3rd. In lesson 4th, there is no such kind of questions and answers are there. Lesson 5th and lesson 6th question answers will be sent to you in your next period, and after that there will be a test. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.